Today we're gonna go to Staples and see what clearance they got. It's cold and windy right now. Let's see, where's Mom at? Where's my mom? Where's she at? Oh, there she is. Is this the clearance right here, Mom?
Mm-hmm. I don't know how much these are on the clearance, but it doesn't say how much.
What's the price on?
See that?
What is it? Did it say?
Huh?
Did it say the price on it? There's no price on it. Where it smells. We checked it and it sells for $6.50 on eBay. So
now we're good.
when you think of Amazon, Mom, you gotta think it's not. You're gonna pay. It's gonna cost you more to ship it, and I'm just looking straight at eBay right now. What was in these other ones? What's that here?
You buy two and get one free.
That's cleaner, isn't it?
Tastes the best.
So these here, these sprayers at $9.99. That wasn't much of a clearance. That's what they sell cheaper than that on eBay. Special. What's these here? Huh?
I was wanting to look at the,
Hey, let's get out of the front here, so I'm not worried about.
the calculator
Where'd you find all them office supplies last time?
right here.
All right here. There's usually a white, like a. I've never arbitraged at Staples before. Is it like yellow tag, like normal clearance tag? Oh, Mom, here's buy one. Oh, buy one, get one 30% off. Scissors.
I don't know about scissors.
Buy one, get one 50% off magnifying glass.
How much are
I will check right quick here. I couldn't even, Mom, I couldn't even find that on. I couldn't even find that on eBay. So
they? No. I don't think they have any good sales.
is that the only clearance in the front?
No, there was back then, but I don't see it.
Let me see if it's still here. Wow, look at this. What is that? A calculating time clock. Oh, it's for, okay, it's for an employer. It's a time clock for a
Time.
business. Be nice to buy that and sell it for $1,000, huh? Well, there's some red containers. Maybe there's sales in here. There's nothing in there. Oh wait, nothing in there. Oh guys, it looks like it's drying up a little bit. $4.99. Some highlighters. Well, there's not many sales here. It's $1.94 for a Sharpie Pro. Let me check that one out. It sold for $4.99 on eBay. By the time you buy it, it's over $2, and then the. Okay, let's go right there for just a second. Just a second. Hold on. And by the time you pay shipping and all that, you're probably gonna break even. So, just not too many things here today. Sometimes you strike out. Looks like we may strike out today. There's another $1.94 limited time.
Did you look back there?
Way in the back? No, I didn't. I started back there and I was looking at the time clock thing. Yeah, okay, there's a clearance straight back in the yellow. Is this where you were last time? You back there? Oh, maybe there's some goodies back here. It says clearance. Take an additional 25% off all clearance. It's kind of jumbled, isn't it? Well, that looks like a car phone charger adapter thing. It's down here. How much was this one? Is that a phone case? Oh yeah, iPhone 7 Plus. How much is this one? $13.50? Huh? It's not. Here's one for $9.99. Is that? Huh? Take an additional 25% off. But Mom, it says take additional 25% off all clearance. Really? Are you sure? Let's see. $1. Take an additional 25% off all clearance. So does that mean well, guys, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. It doesn't look like there's too much here. Could be this time of the year too. It's just after Christmas and all the big sales are not really on, but that's the fun of searching, I guess. I enjoy going out and doing this anyway, so it's pretty fun. Is that all what you're getting, Mom? Okay, we found. Let's see what we got. Is that clearance stuff, Mom, or no?
No, this is just it.
So we didn't do too good. So anyway, thank you for watching. Okay, just left Staples. Like I was saying in the store, I couldn't talk real loud, but they didn't have too much on clearance. Didn't have anything. But like I said, it's fun to go search. That's the fun part about it, you know. So we'll just see what's at the next one. Thanks again for watching.